Hello everyone. I hope you all are keeping good health. Today we will start with a new topic, intersecting lines. Two lines L and M intersect if they have a point in common. L is a line, M is a second line. They both are crossing each other at a point O, so O is a common point. This common point O is called point of intersection. Transversal. A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct point is called transversal. L is a line, M is a second line, N is a line which is crossing both the line at a point A and B respectively. So N is a transversal to the line L and M. Angles made by transversal. We will use this diagram in which L and M are the lines and P is the transversal. Here we can see 4 angles are in M and 4 angles are in L. So in all, there will be total 8 angles. So 8 angles are made by transversal passing through two different lines. Now what are interior angles? Angles which lie between the lines. Here L and M are the lines, P is the transversal. Angle 2, 3, 5, 8 lie between the lines. So they are interior angle. 2, 3, 5, 8 are interior angles. Next is exterior angles. The angles which do not lie between the lines. Yes, so the angle 1, 4, 6 and 7 are exterior angles. Next is alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle means first you will see the interior angle. Alternate means a pair of the angles which are not on the same side of the transversal. So here interior angles are 2, 3, 5, 8. Here 2 and 5 are on the same side of the transversal, both are on the right side. 3 and 8 are on the left side. 2, 3 are on the same line. But 2 and 8 are on the opposite sides of the transversal and are on different lines. So 2 and 8 are alternate interior angle. Similarly, the second set will be 3 and 5. As 3 is on the left, 5 is on the right, they both are interior and their vertices are different. Angle 3 has vertex at M, whereas 5 has vertex at L. And we can say that these form a shape of Z. Next is alternate exterior angle. We will go similarly for this also. First you will check out all the exterior angles. Then alternate means on the opposite sides having different vertex. So here these are the exterior angles. 1 and 7 are on opposite sides of the transversal. 1 is on M, right of transversal. 7 is on L, left of transversal. Similarly, 4 is on M, right, left of transversal. 6 is on L, right of transversal. So these two are the pair of alternate exterior angles. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. As the name says, here we will first focus on interior angle, then the set which are on the same side of the transversal. Here 2, 3, 5, 8, all the 4 angles lies between the lines, so they are interior angle, but 2 and 5 both are on the right side. So 2 and 5 are the first set, 3 and 8 both are on the left side. So this is a second pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Corresponding angle. Corresponding angles means the position of the angle relative to the lines will be same. Let's take 1. 1 is on the right of transversal above M. The same thing you will check for L. That is right of transversal above L. So yes, we will have 1 and 5 as the corresponding angle. It will make a symbol F. The tracing will make a symbol F. Now when you will check 2. 2 is right of transversal below M. Same way, right of transversal below L is 6. So 2 and 6 is the second set. Now check for 4. Left of transversal above M. So next, left of transversal above L. Yes, 4 and 8. Now the last one is 3 and 7 as both are left of transversal and below their relative lines. So these are the 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Next is transversal of parallel lines. Now if the lines given to you are parallel, in that case, the corresponding angles will be equal to each other. Alternate interior angle will be also equal to each other in measures. And interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. It means when you will add them, you will get 180 degree. Now let's say how to check that the lines given to you are parallel or not. So if the lines are parallel, the same 3 conditions we will check. If the lines are parallel, then the corresponding angle should be equal. Their alternate interior angle should be equal, or the interior angle on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. If any of the case is true, then we can say that the lines are parallel through which transversal is passing. Moving to exercise 5.2. Question number 1. We have to state the properties. First condition is here A is parallel to B. As per the diagram, it's already given to you that A is parallel to B. The lines are parallel. Then, which property states that angle 1 is equal to angle 5? First, we will trace angle 1 and angle 5. Yes, both are on the left of transversal. Both are above the line. They are corresponding angles. Or they are making a symbol F. So we can say by corresponding angle property, we can say that angle 1 is equals to angle 5 as the line given to you are parallel. Now the next statement is, if angle 4 is equals to angle 6, then which property states that the line are parallel? Again, we will trace angle 4 and angle 6. Finally, you will get a symbol Z, or we can say they both are interior angle but on the opposite sides of the transversal with different vertex. So, this is a property, alternate interior angle property, which states that if the alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Next, angle 4 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree. Then you have to prove which property states that A is parallel to B. Again, check. So first we will trace both the angle. Yes, they both are interior angle on the same side. So this is a property which says if interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. Moving to question number 2. Here again in the figure, we have to find out pair of corresponding angles. Corresponding means position will be same relative to the lines. 1 and 5 both are on right above the line. Yes, 2 and 6 both are on right of transversal below their line. 4 and 8 left of transversal above the line. 3 and 7 left of transversal below the line. Moving to next set. Pair of alternate interior angles. Interior angles means 2, 3, 5, 8. Alternate means different vertex on the opposite side. So 2, 8 will be the first set and 3, 5 will be the second set. Both are making a symbol Z. Pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So yes, interior angles are 2, 3, 5, 8. Same side 2, 5. Another side 3, 8. Next, vertically opposite angle. To find out vertically opposite angle, we have to find out a point where two lines are crossing each other. So the first point will be where A and C are crossing each other. Yes, the vertical first set is 1 and 3. The second set is 4 and 2. Similarly, the second set of lines are C and B. So the first vertical will be 5 and 7. The next will be 8 and 6. Moving to next question. Find the unknown angles. Here in this one, in the figure, P is parallel to Q. And the third line is the transversal. We are supposed to find the unknown angle. We will use all the properties. As you know, if the lines are parallel, the corresponding angles will be equal. Alternate interior angle will be equal. Sum of interior angle on the same side will be 180 degree. We can use any of the property. We can also use linear pair of angles property. So first, here we will take corresponding angle. The one angle known to you is 125 degree. It is below transversal, left of line. Again check for below transversal, left of line. Yes, it's D. So D is also equals to 125 degree by corresponding angle property. Now, D and B are vertically opposite angle. Yes, so B is also 125 degree. We have to mention the property VOA, that is vertically opposite angle. Now the next property here we can take of P is a line. The two angles on P are 125 degree and E. They both will make a linear pair. So add them, you will get 180 degree. Shift this 125 degree, you will get the value of E as 180 degree minus 125 degree. Solve it. Yes, the answer is 55 degree. Once the value of E is known to you, we can easily find out the value of F as they both are vertically opposite angle. So both are same. Now F is right of P below transversal. C is also right of Q below transversal. So F and C is same. Again, the value of C is 55 degree. Now as C is known to you, we can easily find out the value of A, which is vertically opposite angle. And thus A is also 55 degree. Like this, by using the properties, we can easily find out the unknown values. Next, again we are supposed to find the value of X. Condition is L is parallel to M. Now here, in the figure that both the lines are parallel to each other, we are supposed to find the value of X. We can use the third property, that is interior angle on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, as X is one of the interior angle. But the interior angle on the same side of X is unknown. So we can mark it as Y. Now as 110 degree and Y, they both are vertically opposite angle. So we can directly write Y as 110 degree. Now one of the interior angle on the same side is known to you. By using the third property, that is interior angle on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, we can write the equation as Y plus X is equals to 180 degree. Putting the value of Y as 110 degree, the equation will be 110 degree plus X is equals to 180 degree. Shifting 110 degree to the right hand side, we will get the value of X as 180 degree minus 110 degree. Why minus is coming? Because before 110 degree was with having positive sign. Now it will have a negative sign. Solving the right hand side, you will get the value of X as 70 degree. Moving to the next question. Again, we are supposed to find the value of X. Again, here the lines L and M are parallel to each other. Now here you are supposed to find the value of X. The angles given to you are 100 degree and 80 degree. Now as you can see, 100 degree is left of L and about transversal A. Similarly, X is left of M about transversal A. Both are at the same position relative to the lines. So we can say that they are corresponding angles. They are making a shape F. So yes, by the corresponding angle property, we can say that X is equal to 100 degree. Moving to question number 5. In the given figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. All the arms are parallel to each other. We are supposed to find angle DGC. And angle ABC is equals to 70 degrees given to you. Now considering both the angle, as AB is parallel to DG, and you can take BC as the transversal, we can say that both the angles are corresponding angles. They are making a symbol F. So angle DGC is equals to 70 degree. Now the next case is find out the value of DEF. Now again, DGC and DEF, both the angles, the arms are parallel. That is GC and EF are parallel. And D can act as a transversal here. Again the symbol F. So yes, they both are corresponding. As angle DGC is 70 degree, so angle DEF is also 70 degree. Moving to question number 6. Decide whether L is parallel to M or not. You have to decide whether the lines given to you are parallel or not. Now to check the parallel condition, we have to check the three property. Either the corresponding angles are equal, or the alternate interior angles are equal, or the sum of the interior angle on the same sides are supplementary. Again, we will go for the third property. Here we can see the interior angle on the same sides are given to you. We will simply add these two to find out whether the lines are parallel or not, as per the third condition. When you will add these two angles, the angles on the same side of the transversal, what will you have? The answer is 170 degree. So say no. The line L is not parallel to M as they are not supplementary. Moving to second figure. See, by figure only we can say that the lines are not parallel, but we have to prove it. One of the interior angle is given to you. Now the interior angle on the same side of 75 degrees is not clear. We will assume it as Y. Now this Y is vertically opposite to 75 degree, that is given to you on the other side. So we can say that Y is also 75 degree. Now both the values of the interior angle on the same side of the transversal is clear to you. So we can use the property of interior angles on the same side of the transversal should be supplementary if the lines are parallel. So add the two angles. Answer is 150 degree. So again we can say that line L is not parallel to M as the interior angle on the same side of the transversals are not supplementary. Moving to the third case. Again, 123 degrees is an interior angle and the other angle is not known to you. Assume it as Y. Again, by vertical opposite angle property, Y is 57 degree. Again, using the third property of interior angle on the same side of the transversal should be supplementary to prove that L is parallel to M. Adding both the angle to check whether they are supplementary or not. Yes, the answer is 180 degree. So we can say here that line L is parallel to line M. I hope the calculations and the explanations are clear to you. Thank you everyone. God bless you all.